Alright, I got one of my stickers is missing, well, two of them actually, but I'm about to mix it, scramble it up. Alright, well, alright, I start with the white side, and I put it on the bottom. Alright, so, alright, like how he did it like this. See how that was right there? Put it right there. It matched it up, then flipped it. Well, that's kind of, I don't know, idiotic, but okay, so I'll put my first face on the bottom, and I put all the parts, all the edge pieces on top. Find the last one. I see. Now see how that is? It's on the opposite face, right? On the opposite face. So then match one of them, flip down. Match the other one, flip it down. Match that one, flip it down. Match that one, flip it down. See? See the light. Alright. 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 Simpler way. Instead of holding it upside down, do what he did. You just get it right there. Yeah, it's like 3 minutes. Just. Mm, 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 mm. Of course, the one person right there. See, that's my one missing sticker right there.